Have you ever thought about installing a rain barrel for your home? If you are considering adding a rain barrel to your property, I would like to encourage you to do so. They're easy to install and they offer many rewards. Adding a rain barrel to your home is very easy, inexpensive, and offers so many benefits. It's free. You can't say that about many things these days. All the more reason to start collecting your rain now. You may not realize it, but 623 gallons of water fall on an average 1,000 square foot residential roof during a period of a 1-inch rain. The barrels fill up very quickly. It's amazing. They're easy to install and they offer so many rewards. First, you're going to save money on your water bill. And we all know utility prices are doing nothing but going up. So why not save some money on your water bill? Especially during those summer months when you're using it to water your lawn and your garden. And you can also do that for free. Plants love the warm, soft, chlorine-free water, so it helps them thrive. So you're going to have a healthier garden and a healthier lawn based on using rainwater. It conserves pollutant-free water. How it does this is when rain goes into the sewer systems, it picks up lots of pollutants along the way. It takes that right down to the treatment plant, and the treatment plant cannot remove that 100%. So by taking a lot of that water out of the equation, like rain, you're helping to conserve a more purified water. It's also going to reduce your energy consumption and your carbon footprint. By energy consumption, I mean the energy that it takes the water treatment plant to process and treat the water. You're taking that out of the equation, putting it directly on your lawn and on your garden, and it's doing good in more ways than one. You're also going to lower your water and wastewater bills. Collecting and using rainwater instead of water from the spigot will save you money on your water and sewage bill. Less watering and less water draining through the wastewater system means lower bills for you. It's going to save money, energy, and the environment. It's a triple whammy there, guys. You can't say it more simple. It's easy to do. It's very inexpensive. Save you thousands of gallons of water in tap water each year, and you're going to save money and energy too. I mean, just imagine if you can get a whole neighborhood of people doing this, helping each other out to install these rain barrels. It's such an easy thing. It's a cool thing. It teaches your kids conservation, and it's a great way to help the environment. Here's a picture of me on the left there with my rain barrel that I just installed a couple weeks ago. Since then I have upgraded to one with a spigot, but that's me, and then also the rain diverter there on the right, which is also what I installed to divert the rain into my barrel. There are different styles, several different styles of diverters and barrels out there, so I'm going to give you a link at the end of all this, or at the bottom of the video here, and you can link to Amazon as one of the best places to shop for rain barrels and diverters, and they've got several options to choose from. So check them out definitely after you get done watching this video. Lawn and garden eat up a lot of water, especially if you want to keep a nice green lawn. Lawn and gardener typically consume 40% of your total household water use in the summertime. That's outrageous. It's amazing. I mean, and we all know that when we have a water shortage, the first thing to go is being able to water your lawn. Well, if you're not hooked up to the spigot and you're watering it with rainwater, they can't say anything. You're allowed to use that water to water your lawn. So you could be the only one in the neighborhood with a healthy lawn. And then you're gonna start a trend, and people are gonna start getting rain barrels to water their lawns and gardens, and just overall it's going to be a great benefit to you as a consumer and to someone who wants a nice lawn and garden, and also to our environment and just the conservation of water. Water is precious. I mean, there is a finite supply of drinkable water on this planet, and as humans we need to conserve it. I know a lot of people here, especially in the United States, I know as an American I can speak that we take advantage of it. We don't realize sometimes, we take for granted the luxury that having water is to have in our home, and we have to conserve it. it's one of the, we're made up of 90% water, so, or 70%. I don't remember exactly what it was, but I know it's a lot. I know without water, none of us would be here. So let's conserve it and treat it as a precious resource that it is. This is a testimonial I grabbed after installing the diverter. The next morning we had a very heavy rain, but only for about 15 to 20 minutes. Out of curiosity, we checked the barrel to see if we captured any, and the entire barrel was full. True story. This was taken off of the Odie website, I believe, and which is the type of diverter that I put on my home. I've had my own experience now that I have a rain barrel for a while. I've actually only got 3 rains. It's been a very dry year, but so far the barrel has filled up every time, and it fills up so fast. It really is mind-blowing. I mean, we had about just under an inch of rain the other night, and the barrel, I could have filled probably 20 barrels. I mean, that's how fast the water collected in my little 60-gallon barrel that I have. I mean, it was like within a half an hour I had a full barrel. It was amazing. So I had to go out and plug it. So, but I could have filled up so much, and I could really use that water now because we're having another dry spell, and if I would have had 3 or 4 barrels, my lawn, I'd still be able to water it. So, but when you have those rains, it's precious to save it, and it works out great. So I encourage you to purchase one today, and a diverter. I mean, and sometimes you can buy kits and they come together, so it's a one-shot deal. But you can also, if you like a different style, a diverter better that maybe fits your home or the area where you're going to put this. Check out the different styles. Of course, with different styles come different price ranges, but click on the link below this, and it's going to direct you to Amazon retailer, the Walmart of the internet, and they offer the best selection and prices when you're shopping for a diverter and a rain barrel. So buy, install it, start saving money, start saving water, and start saving energy today.